Hi guys, today we gonna learn artistic paper water lily making, how to make paper water lily / lotus DIY easy paper crafts. So you need some required materials. First you have to take different shapes of color paper. 10 into 10 cm square shape red color paper. 9 into 9 cm paper. 8 into 8 cm paper.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
10 into 10 cm paper, increase it by your hands as like showing on the screen. Mark a measurement with a pencil. Now cut its excess corners by a scissor. Keep your eyes carefully. Now cut a little bit of its corner. Now cut its last narrow corners by a scissor. Wow, we made a flower and have a hole on the middle of the flower. Now crease all the parts of it. Do the same task on rest of it, make it more by the same way. Now glue its middle hole, attach two flower with a different position and made a pair. Then attach another flower on the pair by glue. Attach rest flower on that by glue as like showing on the video. You have made beautiful things. Now take the green color paper and cut it a new shape. Crease it with a different shape as like showing on the video. Take another paper and do the same things. Glue its side as like showing on the video and attach its two sides. Now attach both things with glue as like showing on the video. After a few moments later, attach the maiden flower on that by glue. Keep attaching. Okay, now see how beautiful of your making flower is. So by this you can make more artistic paper water lily making, how to make paper water lily / lotus DIY easy paper crafts.